How to design a one product Shopify store. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you step by step of setting up your store from choosing the perfect design and also optimizing your product from the maximum conversions. So make sure to finish this video until the end to be able to design a one product Shopify store from scratch. So without no more talking, let's get started. Then guys, after creating your account on Shopify and verify it with your email address or phone number, then I will show you the easy method with the simple process to add your product on Shopify and design the product with the professional design and create a product with the professional design. Then guys, I will for example this product on AliExpress, then I will show you the easy method to add this product and design it with a professional style on your Shopify. Then guys, if you want to import the product automatically to Shopify, there is another method on using the application Deezer's application. Then if you want to learn how easily import product from AliExpress to Shopify by using the Deezer, just go to my YouTube channel, then you'll find the video on dropshipping about dropshipping product from AliExpress to Shopify. Then guys, for example this product, I want to add easily the product, then I will show you easily how to add this product to Shopify. First guys, open your Shopify dashboard, then hit on product section, then hit on add product. Then guys, first thing you need to add the title. Then guys, I prefer to choose the small title, for example Naked Face Beauty Device, then copy the title and paste it. Then on the description section guys, I prefer to go to the ChatGPT, for example, then tap on the search bar, give me a description for Naked Face Beauty Device product, just give me description for the name of the product, then it will give you a small and professional description. Then go and paste it again. Then guys, select the description and upload it. As you see guys, it's look like professional. Then go to media section guys. If you want to upload some picture from AliExpress, I prefer to choose the extension. His name is AliSave Plus extension. This extension guys, it's very important for anyone using the AliExpress. It's give you the ability to import any picture from any product from AliExpress. His name is AliSave Plus. Download AliExpress image, then after adding, just hit on add extension because I have already downloaded this extension on my browser. Then after adding this extension, it will be able directly to download the main image, variation, description and all image product on Shopify on AliExpress guys. Then guys, after for example just I want to download the main image, then hit on main image. Then guys, on the top and the right, it take a few seconds guys to download the picture. Just in the downloading process, as you see guys, that the picture, it will take a few seconds to download. Then after download the picture, open the product or the picture. Then guys, go back and open first guys the product. This is the product on after download the pictures automatically. Then go for example and select which picture that you want. Then I prefer, if you want to design a one product Shopify store, I prefer to choose only one picture. Then for example this one, the fourth one, or this one. I prefer this one guys, the fourth one. Then take this product and open a new browser and open Canva guys. Canva guys, it's help you to customize the picture and edit the picture easily. Then guys, open this picture, then select the picture that you want, for example this one, and guys drag it to Canva. Then guys, it's easy to use guys. Then guys, you just drag it to the picture and like this guys, just guys like this and also like this, and make it six, for example, sorry, like this, corner 25 to 32. Then guys, the color of the corner, I prefer to choose some color on the picture like this one, for example, more professional. Then guys, after editing the picture, hit on share and download the picture on your laptop. For example, just select which one, the two, then hit on download. Then guys, go back to your Shopify store. Then guys, you need to add this picture to your Shopify. Then wait a few seconds. Now your picture was added successfully to your Shopify. Then the category section, skincare tools and cosmetic tools, it's good. The pricing section, then guys, for example, just an example guys, add your price, for example 45, the complete price 59 for example. Then the inventory, there is no categories guys, then hit on save. Then guys, after creating your product successfully on Shopify, then go back to your sales channel section, then hit on online store, then hit on team. Then guys, if you are a beginner, I prefer to choose the down team because it's easy to use for anyone or any Shopify users, also for a beginners. Then if you want to change it, just scroll down and select which free version theme that you want, the spotlight, the refresh, there is sense, the craft, but I prefer the down theme because it's very easy guys. I guarantee that it's very easy for a beginners. Then guys, go to hit on customize. Then guys, on the top, hit on homepage and select product and default product. Then guys, it's take you directly to product section on your Shopify. Then guys, first guys, if you want to customize the product, just select the product section. It's take you directly to color scheme. First, if you want to change the color scheme, just tap on change and select which one that you want, theme 2 for example, or the theme 2, and edit the color. If you don't like this color, I prefer to select this color, it's good. Then go to, as you see guys, the title section. If you want to drag it and change the place, or just let the title in the place, then go back to the bottom and the chair section. I prefer to remove this block, then go to the bottom and hit on add block, then hit on add block. Then I prefer to choose collapsible row, and again another one, collapsible row again, and the third one, collapsible row. Then guys, go and select the first one, then go and, for example, go to ChatGPT for example and paste. As you see guys, when you tap the description for this product, scroll down, for example, multi-mode functionally. Then for example, this one, it's good for your description. It's make your product more professional guys. Then again, then paste it and check mark, for example, just add some check mark, recycle question mark, or blend, for example, like this, multi-mode function. Then for the second one guys, free shipping, or for example, free shipping. Then question mark, track, go to track. Then as you see guys, if you want to add the last one, or you can just add 2 and remove this one. Then guys, remove block. Then guys, go to the quantity, remove the quantity guys. Then guys, after go to the header section guys, then make it in the center like this guys, and scroll up and hit on none to make the header section stable on his place. Then in the first one, the header section guys, you can easily change the color also with the to another one, for example, like this. Then edit the color like this. Then guys, after editing the product, if you want to add, for example, just select also the product and go back, guys, go to add block. For example, add icon with text, for example like this, heading, just select this one, and you can easily change heart. The first icon it's heart. Then for example just to use generate text, it will give you some examples, for example like this, the heart response format, for example like this. Then the second one, the return, you can easily add, for example, heading and generate, and also, or you can go to ChatGPT, for example, add enhanced skin or aeronomatic or advanced technology, for example like this, or go to top advanced technology, for example like this. Then guys, and the last one, tracking, then copy and paste it. Then guys, this is the product how it look like on with a new style. Then the header section, guys, go to change the color also, shim one. Then for example select which one that you want, this one, and edit the color, and go to the background and select which color that you want, for example like this. For example like this, guys. As you see, guys, your product was created successfully with the new style. Then again, go and, for example, select this one and scroll to the color, for example, edit, then the text, the outline button. I prefer to select some colors, for example this one, outline color. Then the text, solid button background, for example like this. Then guys, hit on save, then guys, scroll to the bottom to subscribe or footer section, hit on footer section. Then if you want to add some subscribe to our email or add something, for example welcome to our shop or anything, I prefer to also edit the color, for example this one, and edit the color, which color on the background, for example like this, Then guys, go back and the color, I prefer to go back and edit the text with the black color, the solid button also with the black color, and the outline button with black color also. Now guys, go back. Now your product was, and this and the One Product Shopify store was created with the easy steps, even you are a beginner. Then guys, if you want to see your product with the mobile version, as you see guys, this is your product with the mobile version. When you scroll down, the free shipping, everything you want or you need on your product, the desktop. Then guys, go back and hit on save and go back to your store again. Then go to your product section. Now preview online store, then hit on preview online store. Now your product how it look like with the professional style, as a beginner also or professional. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.